In this video, I'll show you how to connect your soundbar to your phone to be able to listen to music, or even if you're watching a movie, the sound will come out of the soundbar as long as your soundbar has the Bluetooth feature enabled. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your soundbar is turned on. This one is a bit hard to know. There's a small LED over here indicating if it's on or off. Most of them come with a remote control, so make sure it's turned on. Then we need to put it into Bluetooth pairing. And again, depending on your model, it will be different. This remote control has a Bluetooth button. I'm quite lucky over here. I simply need to click on it.
Bluetooth mode.
So it's in Bluetooth mode, and this soundbar will go into Bluetooth pairing automatically. Maybe yours has a Bluetooth button on the top that you need to keep pressed to enable the pairing. So go ahead and put it and enable Bluetooth pairing. Then take your phone, iPhone or Android, it does not matter, and we need to go into the Bluetooth settings. So here I'll drag down from the top right corner. I'll keep press over here where it says Bluetooth, Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth settings. From here I'll go down this menu, and usually under other device, I should see my soundbar. This one is the KY Mini, so I'll click on it. And you'll get a message from the soundbar usually, or maybe a small LED telling you, hey, perfect, it's paired. So this is it. Now you can launch any music, any apps, and you should hear the sound coming out of your soundbar. If you want to disconnect, you can go ahead and do the same process. Go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone, click on your soundbar, and it should disconnect. Or in some other cases, if you have, again, on a remote control, you can simply turn off your soundbar. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.